Welcome back to eSIM Studios. My name is Taylor Bell. I have a good product review for us today, right? This is for anybody and everybody, basically. I have a very nice. Well, you know what? Let me show you what we're checking out today. Check this out right here. This is a very nice magnifying glass desk lamp. Now it's got a 3-section swing arm, big clamp, magnifying glass with light and clamp, 8 times wide desk magnifying light for anybody. ... Look, no matter who you are, whether you're a YouTuber, whether you your CPA, or you taxes, whatever, right? Even if this is in your workshop, anybody and everybody needs some sort of lighting for whatever you do, right? Now, this actually came in handy. They reached out and said, hey, we have this really nice desk lamp. It's multifunctional. Would you want to review it? And I was like, now look, to be totally clear, and we'll get to it. I'll shut up in a second. But 9 out of 10, I think 8 or 9 out of 10 proposals that we get, I politely say thank you, but no thank you. But I actually needed one. So they did give me this for free in return for a fair and honest review. And that's what we're going to do. So let's get in. I have the overhead camera over here and got it right here next to me. So this is from a company, interesting name, NOEVSBIG. I have no idea, but it is right here. Thank you very much. So let's get into it. Now look, hey, can't miss this. Apply $4 coupon, boom, knocks it down to about $40. Now it looks pretty cool, so I think it's going to be well worth it. Let's switch camera angles. And oh, check this out. I'm going to put a link for this in the description box down below, so you don't have to go searching for it. Just simply click the link, take you right there. Okay. Let me switch camera angles here. What do you know? Boom. Now, let's enlarge it. Pause. There we go. See, look, I do need another light. The lighting is fine here on me, but over here, look, you can see the shadow and everything. So, much needed, nice desk lamp. Now, this is not only for like little projects and desk. It's got like a little ring light type of deal, so you can even use it for recording, honestly. And it's a multi-purpose, right? So I'm gonna use it for a little bit of everything. All right, let's open the sucker up. All right. Here is the box that it comes in. Really nicely put together. Here you have a set of instructions that is basically for 3 operations. One is for the clamp, right down below, and the other is the operation of the lamp. It's not rocket science, so it shouldn't be too hard. Like I always do, I always throw the instructions to the side. You get a nice little thank you letter here as well, and very nice. Ooh, this is good quality. Oh yeah. This is what I'm talking about. This is not the cheap stuff. No, this is heavy duty. You can tell it's like the quality is superb. I haven't used superb in a long time, but that clearly defines the build quality of this. I mean, it feels like iron, very sturdy, has very nice, delicate, very nice grips right here, super grippy, and it's cushioned a little bit so it will not damage your desk from underneath. Let me show you here. But check this out. So it's got a rubber stopper here and a rubber stopper here, and you'll simply clamp this underneath your desk like this. Tighten it up down here, right, so nice and sturdy, and then we'll put the shaft right in there. I'll set that to the side. Ooh, comes with a, look, you never see that nowadays. If Samsung and Google and Apple and nothing stopped putting chargers in the boxes, guess what? This magnifying glass desk lamp comes with a charger. What do you know? Very nice. Probably not that powerful, but look, you probably only need like 2 amps, 5 watts, 2 amps. That shall do it. Okay, so this is wrapped really nice. That here. Yo, I've never had a magnifying glass. That is awesome. Because there's like little intricate. Sometimes when I change RAM on my my laptop or mess with the Wi-Fi card, some of those things are hard to see. I am getting older too, you know. So let's move this to the side. And it's, look, I'm sure it's pretty easy. So once you get it hooked up onto your desk, this will simply go down. There's a little spot where this shaft here coming from the magnifying glass and the lamp simply goes right into here and holds it nice and sturdy into place. I'm going to pause this real quick, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Hang on. All right, so I got kind of maneuvered here, and I'm going to record in 2 separate angles, right? Excuse the I'm in the guest bedroom. It's my studio, but I'm going to show you how this works, right? So you take the clamp here. I'm going to put it right here on the side of this desk for the time being. So what we'll do is, let's expand. There we go. So this will go right on here. Just like that, almost there. Nice and firm grip. Will not damage your desk. That's what I really like about this. It's super firm and super sturdy. Absolutely will not damage. It's got protection. You know, you get the cheap ones. It's little things like that that make the difference between a quality product and a cheap product. Cheap products don't have those super really, or check this out, even if they do have the protective little rubber grips, they fall off after like using it a couple times, right? This one, not gonna have to worry about that. This thing is on there super sturdy. The grips, the clamp, everything. What I'm doing now is simply putting on the magnifying glass and the LED light here. I'm sorry, is it LED? It's not LED. Like so. Simply stick it in there. Oops. Stick the magnifying glass in the shaft and then tighten it up. Move it like so. And then this cable simply put it. You can loosen and tighten the It's got a screw here, screw here, screw here. So they have screws everywhere. So you can tighten and loosen this as you wish, as you please. So it makes it easier to bend. Just like that. Different angles, right? So loosen this screw. Put it in there like so. Now got extra lighting. Well, got to plug it in first. Make sure everything's nice and snug. And just got to plug her in. Now it comes with a USB Type A connector, Type A brick, wall brick Type A, and then Type A connector. And then it looks as if it has a on and off button. It has a more intense light, less intense light, and then it has a sync type emblem or logo on there. We will see what that entails. Let me plug this sucker in. Hang on. Okay, got it plugged in, got it mounted, and adjusted to how I like it. Now, another good thing about this, there's so many different angles, and you can twist it in so many different ways. However you need it to fit in your setup, it appears it will do that. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 points where it rotates and or bends, right? So I got it plugged in. I'll shut up. Let's turn this thing on. Remember, I was lacking light over here on this secondary desk where I do my unboxings and stuff. I needed another light. I have 2 lights from the right side, but as you could tell at the very beginning, you saw the shadow, so there was no light over here, but having a light right up top, perfect. So let's try it out. So we're gonna hit the on button. Whoa, hell yeah. Now I'm doing my overhead light. You know what? Let's turn it all off. Okay, so there's no light in the room. It's just natural light from the window, right? So let's see what this sucker does. Now, let's see how low it gets. Damn, that's pretty freaking low. Look at this. So that's on its lowest setting. Let's turn it up, see how bright it gets. It's pretty good. Now, what does this sync button do? Turns it from LED natural light to a more yellow light. Ooh, to a red. Okay. So you got a light blue, a cool blue. I'm assuming it's like a natural, probably like 5,000 K on the scale, Kelvin scale. Is that Kelvin scale? Yeah, the 5,000 K, 5K. So let's cycle through them again. This is cool. I'm definitely going to use this every single day. This is a lot better than buying the little rinky-dink lights. Trust me, I believe it's worth the money. I've seen some. Actually, I've purchased some in the past. You know how you go everything, the cheapest thing you can find. Everything cheap, everything cheap, everything cheap. You get what you paid for, right? This stuff only lasts for, I don't know, a few months, something like that. Why not spend a few extra bucks? Look, it's not even that much more expensive than the cheap ones. And you're getting probably 2 to 3 times the quality, more than 2 to 3 times lifespan. I mean, I'm assuming this thing should last for, I don't know, a couple years. I have no idea, but you can tell by the look, by the feel, even the mount, right? Go back to the mount. Even the springs on here. Like, you can tell that they're not cutting corners on the materials that they use to manufacture this, to produce this. So I 1000% endorse this. I actually love this thing. Watch. Subscribe to the channel, eSIM Studios. And every day as we upload, as we do our live stream in the afternoon every day, as I upload videos, as I review videos, take a peek. And I guarantee you're going to see this light. Well, you may not see it, but literally, you'll see the light. So I'm going to use this thing every freaking day. I really like this. Now, look, they also have a large. So this is the 33-inch. Hang on. The larger one is cheaper than this one. So I think the large one is on sale. So this one is basically $40. Let me share the screen again. So look, $45 right here, but look down here. It's for the 33-inch. Now, again, you get like a $4 coupon, so basically $40 for this 33-inch. They have a large one. I'm assuming it's larger because it says large, and it's even cheaper. So they must have a sale on the big one. I thought this was the big one because it's pretty freaking big. But look what you also get with the big one. It is on sale. Plus you get a $3 coupon, so it's $30 compared to $40. You get more lights. Look at this. You get the extra ring lights there on the bottom. So what makes it larger? I think the size of the. Let's see. Do they have the inches? Yes. Okay. You can see the dimensions down here. They are different sizes. So the larger one is on sale and is cheaper at the moment. So I'd definitely look into that. I'm going to put a link for this one that I got. But if you just scroll down at the link and go over to the large section option, you can get it right there. So obviously they know what they're doing. Look, they almost got a 5-star rating. With 657 ratings, 657 people rated this damn near 5 stars. So it looks like a good deal to me, and I think if you're in the market for a lamp, I think this will be good for you. So it's got my stamp, it's got the eSIM Studios seal of approval, and I really appreciate it. So I want to thank NOEVSBIG for sending this to me. I appreciate it. I'm going to use it every day. I'll see you all tomorrow. Watch the live stream every afternoon. Peace.